The power of consistency in agent training. Building a successful real estate business requires consistent effort and dedication. The same principle applies to agent training. Consistency is key to ensuring that your agents develop the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in their careers. By implementing a structured and consistent training program, you create a culture of growth and development within your brokerage. This not only attracts top talent, but also empowers your agents to achieve their goals and boost your overall productivity. Consistency in training offers several benefits. Number one, reinforces learning. Consistent training sessions reinforce concepts and skills, ensuring that agents retain and apply what they've learned. Repeated exposures to key topics helps them gain confidence and expertise in those areas. Two, builds habits. Consistency helps transform good habits into habits. When agents consistently engage in training, they develop a routine that becomes an integral part of their professional lives. This habit-building approach leads to long-term success and continuous improvement. Number three, fosters accountability. Regular training sessions create a sense of accountability among your agents. They know that they're expected to participate consistently and contribute to their growth. This accountability cultivates a culture of commitment and excellence within your brokerage. Number four, maximizes ROI. Consistent training ensures that you're making the most of your investment. By providing ongoing opportunities for development, you optimize the knowledge and skills your agents acquire. This results in increased productivity, improved customer service, and higher profitability for your brokerage. Number five, it drives engagement. Consistency in training sessions keeps engaged agents and keeps them motivated. They look forward to regular opportunities to learn, collaborate, and share experiences with their peers. This engagement boosts their satisfaction levels and strengthens their commitment to your brokerage. Consistency is the backbone of an effective agent training program. It sets the stage for individual and collective growth. It ultimately positions your brokerage as a leader in the industry. At Rockstar Agent, we provide a comprehensive platform that supports consistent agent training. From our library of industry-leading courses to our interactive coaching and accountability tools, we help you create a culture of consistency that fuels success. Ready to unleash the power of consistency in your brokerage? Schedule a demo with us today.